Hi, my name is Rachel Jones. I'm with Elgin Realty, and today I want to talk to you about some home maintenance tips, really easy ones. Today we're going to talk about filters. We all know how important it is for regular maintenance on our HVAC filters. Maybe you have a filter in your refrigerator, but did you know there's also one in your dishwasher? Come here, let me show you. I've already taken the rack out, the bottom rack out of the dishwasher. Come right down here. This is where your filter is housed. Quick turn, and you can see all of the buildup on this filter. Good thing about this, all you need is hot water. So we're going to rub it gently, scratch it up a little bit. You'll need to do the outside and the inside of this filter. You can already see how much has come off. You just continue cleaning all sides, pop it back in your dishwasher, and it's recommended every 3 to 6 months to go ahead and clean this filter. Do you want more home maintenance tips? Check out Elgin Realty LLC Facebook page for more.